Hey guys, so in this case study I want to show you another product that I sold in the jewelry niche, specifically earrings. Once again, I have a low-cost free item that I'm giving away at the front end right away, and people that go to that process are becoming buyers and are added to my list, okay? They get a low-cost item or something for free, but they pay for shipping. This can really have a great conversion rate where you get people at the door that are likely to buy more products from you on your store in the future. So let me show you an example right here that I've been running for the past 2 months, and I just do very well with this type of niches and products, jewelry especially. The niche here is jewelry and the product is earrings, and this is a niche which is always great to jump into because it just sells. It really sells well along with watches, necklaces, pendants, also cat jewelry, elephant jewelry, all that stuff sells pretty well. So with the eBay arbitrage system that I talked to you about in my course, you can perfectly do it with jewelry items. It just sells well. And by the way, I'm going to show you another case study later on. But for now, I want to show you this specific case study. So the product I found was earrings for women. Earrings for women in AliExpress. I just typed that, and as you can see, there's a ton of products right here, like very cheap, dirt cheap. You want, of course, to categorize by orders, which is way easier to go through them. So the particular product that I found was this one. You might also want to type 18K gold earrings women. This was the sentence that I used. So, and there's a ton of different stuff here that you can see, like pretty cool products. So this is the product here that I sold. This particular pair of earrings, which was only $1.92 with free shipping coming from China, of course. I'm offering this on my store with my ad for free. The way I promoted it on my store was something like free 18K gold diamond wedding earrings for women, and of course they pay shipping, which was $11.97. Okay, so as you can see, I'm still making a $10 profit per sale right off the bat, and then you want to sell them your other related products, like for example you might want to set up collections on your store and all other stuff. So this is a great way to go about it, because you always need to keep in mind that $10 per se obviously is nothing, but what counts is how many products you can set up. Imagine setting up products like that on complete autopilot, and there's millions of products on AliExpress that you can just, drop ship. So I'm selling personally a ton more of other similar products which bring passive income months and months to come, like necklaces, watches, earrings, bracelets, pendants. By the way, a case study that I told you a minute ago was on a pendant that I sold, so I'm going to show you later. No, actually a crystal necklace. So once you understand the system, then it's completely up to you to make it up and running. Okay, just please don't be lazy, because this is really profitable. Okay, there's lots of jewelry pieces out there. It's just ridiculous. Just search for low-cost items, like I showed you in my videos, my previous case studies, like this one, for example, on AliExpress. Okay, and they do very well. So pretty much this was my setup, front end on my store, with the word free very visible to the customer. So when they purchase, when the customer purchases, he goes through the easy checkout process when he has to pay the $11.97 for the shipping. Now onto my campaign that I set up for this product. Here it is, guys. I want to show you the ad campaign results for the earrings that I sold. And as you can see, this was my Facebook ad. Post engagement 25,633, reach 71,184, CDR over 7%, frequency 189, impressions 248,000, total ad spend I spent kind of bit, like 1,519.68. but I sold 212 items. This was the ad copy for earrings. Looking for the perfect pair to pull together your entire look? Get yours here, insert your link here, tag someone you know that would love this. Pretty simple, like as you can see the copy, just keep it simple, attractive, and it's pretty similar to the previous case studies, so just swipe it as you like. The final ad, the audience size was 150,000, location living in the United States, interests, earrings app, love earrings, earrings nation, age 1864 on newsfeed. On mobile devices, ad spend for this campaign was 1,519. Revenue from this campaign was 3,741, and the total profit was 2,221.32.